Hey everyone, welcome back to the Go Skills Challenge. We've got an interesting scenario for you, and our Excel expert Claudia Buckley has all the details for you to solve this challenge.
Do you know what a decision tree is? It's like a flowchart that gives different outcomes based on different combinations of logic within the process. Well, today's challenge is to generate one of three outcomes based on different combinations. So let's get into logic mode. We have some college applicants wanting to get into our arts, business, or STEM programs. How we treat their application will be based on last year's term performance and their exam average and the program they're trying to get into. Can you get your sheet to behave like mine? The application status changes depending on what's selected in these three columns. The rule behavior for column E is shown in this chart to the right. Now, we usually use the if and functions together for determining what to do if all elements exist, and the if and or functions together to evaluate if any of the stated elements exist. But there are a few more skills you'll need to solve this challenge. Here's another task. You might have noticed that some of the exam averages were incorrectly entered. Averages should be between 0 and 100. Can you get Excel to point out existing errors and prevent users from entering invalid values in the future? You can click the information icon at the top right of your screen to find some helpful resources to help you solve this challenge. I'll post my solution next week, but share yours with me in the comments below or on our Slack channel. See you soon.
So, do you have what it takes to successfully complete this challenge? To get started, click on the link in the description and download the files you need. Let us know your progress or any suggestions you might have in the comments section below. Or even better, join the GoSkills Slack channel and chat with other Excel pros about your approach. Link in the description. And if you want to know Claudia's solution, subscribe to this channel. And when we release the solution video, you'll get the full step-by-step rundown of how to solve the challenge. So good luck, everyone.